It's Black Friday week, baby. Forget about saving $100 on a TV. How about an insane deal where you can save thousands of dollars on a vehicle? This is Dave at Fredericton Mitsubishi, and we're having our biggest event of the year this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We're pulling out all the stops for Black Friday. Best prices of the year, best payments of the year, and no charge winter tires on everything. Stop what you're doing and listen to these payments. Take your pick between the all-new Eclipse Cross or the legendary RVR, both with super all-wheel control, for as low as $86 a week. You heard me right, $86, zero down. How about the most fuel-efficient non-hybrid car in Canada for only $44 a week? Do the math, people. Many of our Mirage owners tell us they save enough on gas to make their entire car payment. Need more room? How about the full-size Outlander all-wheel control for only $84 a week? Yeah, $84 a week with zero down. And don't forget, every Mitsubishi is backed by the best warranty in the galaxy. We get you covered for a decade. Sorry, my fellow dealers, this is a retail-only event. No dealer inquiries, please. The boom is back, baby. Only Thursday, Friday, and Saturday this week. Get over to see us on St Marys St before the deals are gone. You'll be glad you did. Mitsubishi, drive your ambition.